Alexander of Polka Dot Shape, and today I want to talk to you about the elongated stitch. It's a decorative stitch that I use in quite a few of my patterns, and it's quite easy to learn how to make. You can see right here that this particular knit stitch has extra slack in it. That's why we call it the elongated stitch. And I'm going to show you how to get that extra slack in the stitch.
To get the extra wrap in your stitch, you simply wrap the yarn around the right hand needle twice. Let me show you. In, wrap twice, and off. In, wrap twice, and off. You can see these little clusters. Each stitch has 2 wraps, which will create the slack on the next row.
On the row after the elongated stitch, there's no trick to letting that extra slack off the needle. You're simply going to insert your needle, or in my case a cable needle, because I'm going to cross 3 behind 3 on this, and let the extra wrap fall off. I'm going to hold those to the back. I'm going to go ahead and knit 3 from my needle. In, wrap, and let the slack fall off. In, wrap, let the slack fall off. And again. And now I'm going to knit 3 for my cable needle. I'll show you that one more time. Slip 3 to the cable needle, letting the wraps unfold or fall off. Hold to the back and knit 3, allowing those wraps to slip off. See those nice elongated stitches. See what's going on now. Those are your elongated stitches. And don't forget to block when you use this technique. It will really help smooth the fabric.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button.